Never in history has a length of cloth played such a crucial role in shaping the nation's destiny as khadi has in India's freedom struggle. Admired for its quality and austere simplicity, khadi wasn't only a call to become self-reliant, but it was also an appeal to wear something that displayed the might and power of the united India. Addressing the Mann Ki Baat radio program, PM Modi urged countrymen to buy khadi products and contribute towards a Bharat Jodo Andolan.
हमारे देश के ग्रामीण और आदिवासी इलाकों में हैंडलूम कमाई का बहुत बड़ा साधन है। ये ऐसा क्षेत्र है जिससे लाखों महिलाएं, लाखों बुनकर, लाखों शिल्पी जुड़े हुए हैं। आपके छोटे छोटे प्रयास बुनकरों में एक नई उम्मीद जगाएंगे। आप स्वयं कुछ न कुछ खरीदें और अपनी बात दूसरों को भी बताएं।
In light of realizing vocal for local, khadi products have seen tremendous growth since 2014. Year after year, PM Modi has often touched upon khadi in his monthly address to the nation, and as a result, due to much promotion of this indigenous fabric, the sale of khadi has risen manifold.
आपने देखा होगा, साल 2014 के बाद से ही मन की बात में हम अक्सर खादी की बात करते हैं। ये आपका ही प्रयास है कि आज देश में खादी की बिक्री कई गुना बढ़ गई है। क्या कोई सोच सकता था कि खादी के किसी स्टोर से एक दिन में 1 करोड़ रुपए से अधिक की बिक्री हो सकती है? लेकिन आपने ये भी कर दिखाया है। आप जब भी कहीं पर खादी का कुछ खरीदते हैं तो इसका लाभ हमारे गरीब बुनकर भाइयों बहनों को ही होता है। इसलिए खादी खरीदना एक तरह से जन सेवा भी है, देश सेवा भी है।
Despite the challenges posed by the current coronavirus pandemic, khadi's single-day sales have exceeded rupees 1 crore for 4 times in October and November 2020 at Khadi India's flagship outlet. Earlier, the highest single-day sale of khadi stood at rupees 66.81 lakh. That was recorded on 4th October 2014, just a day after Prime Minister's first address through Mann Ki Baat happened. A slew of economic measures cannot be called sustainable unless the benefits reach artisans. Nearly a century ago, Mahatma Gandhi found the answer to rural India's financial independence in khadi and promoted it until his death. That's how powerful a fabric can be. Khadi clusters are a source of income to rural Indian communities. A statutory body, Khadi and Village Industry Commission (KVIC), was established in 1956 with the objective of generating employment by promoting the sale of merchandise and by instilling strong rural community spirit, creating self-reliance among the rural population. They undertake all the necessary tasks, from sourcing raw materials and equipment to providing facilities for marketing as well as training artisans and researching in this domain. With a count of 7,529 units, Jammu and Kashmir has the maximum number of units set up in 2018 and 19, generating estimated employment of 60,232. Following J&K are the states of Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh, which reported more than 5,000 units each and employment to more than 40,000 people in each of these states. Khadi, also known as khadar, is hand-woven cotton cloth which uses no machines or energy or any kind of fuel for its manufacturing. Posing compatibility with the environment, a meter of khadi fabric consumes 3 liters of water against 55 liters of water required for 1 meter of mill-produced fabric. This zero carbon footprint fabric also solves one of the most pressing issues of today, the water crisis in both rural and urban India. The second largest exporter of textile and clothing in the world, India registered $22.94 billion from exports in financial year 2020. And in that, the share of khadi in cumulative textile mill production accounted for 8.49%. This sophistication and grace of khadi is not only taking over Indians but also capturing hearts in the global market as well. It's organic, sustainable, skin-friendly in nature, and the precious craft is deeply intertwined with the history of India. Its khadi that we need to rely on for a sustainable and Atmanirbhar economy and future. That's all for today's segment. Thank you for watching.